In our last geometry period, we have studied test for parallel lines. These tests are a test for interior angles, test for alternate angles, and test for corresponding angles. Now using this test, we will solve practice set. Practice set 2.2. Practice set 2.2 and question number 1. Now this here practice set 2 question number 1. In figure y is equal to 108 degree and x is equal to 71 degree. Are the lines M and N parallel? Justify. Line M and line L. Line L is the transversal. And these two angles x and y, these angles are interior angles on one side of transversal. Now x plus y. The x is equal to 71. The y is equal to 100 and degree. That is equal to 179 degree. Now this sum is not 180 degree. That means these two angles are not supplementary. (179). Therefore, angles x and y are not supplementary, and if interior angles are not supplementary, the lines are not parallel. Therefore, Therefore, lines M and N are not parallel. Question number 2. In figure, if angle A congruent angle B, then prove that line L parallel line M. This is line L, line M, this is transversal N. Angle A congruent angle B, it is given. We have to prove that this line L is parallel to line M. Now suppose this angle is C. Opposite angle of A is suppose C. Now see here, angle A is equal to angle C. Suppose this is statement 1. Reason is opposite angles. And we are given that angle A congruent angle B given. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B. Statement 2. From statement 1 and 2, angle A is equal to angle C and angle A is equal to angle B. And therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. From statement first and second. But these angles, angle B and C, this is a pair of corresponding angles formed by transversal N. Therefore, this pair of corresponding angles is congruent. And therefore, angle B congruent angle C. Angle B congruent angle C. And this is the pair of corresponding angles. If a pair of corresponding angles is congruent, then lines are parallel by corresponding angle test. And therefore, line L parallel line M by corresponding angles test. In this way, we can prove this. Now, question number 3. In figure, if angle A congruent angle B, angle A congruent angle B, and angle X congruent angle Y, then prove that line L parallel line N. So we have to prove that line L is parallel to line N. But we use these given things. Now see here, first consider these two lines, line L and line M, and line K is a transversal. Due to this transversal, these two angles A and B, these are corresponding angles, and these angles are given congruent. And corresponding angles are congruent, then lines are parallel. Okay, here line N and line M. Line K is their transversal. So here angle A and R corresponding angles, and these corresponding angles are congruent. And and therefore lineal parallel lineum. Statement first and reasoning that corresponding angle test. Now consider these two lines, lineum and lineal, and this is their transversal. So angle x and y are alternate angle formed by these two lines, and these two alternate angles are congruent. Are alternate angles formed by lines M and N, and angle x congruent angle y given, and therefore lineum parallel line N. Statement 2, alternate angle test. Now see your statement first and second. In statement first, lineal parallel line M, and in statement 2, lineum parallel line N. Therefore, lineal parallel line N. Therefore, from first and second. So in this way, we can prove that lineal parallel line M. Now question number 4. In figure, if ray be a parallel ray B, ray be a parallel ray BE, angle C is equal to 50 degree, angle D is equal to 100 degree. Find the measure of angle ABC. How to find the measure of angle ABC? Now here hint is given for the construction. Hint: draw a line passing through C and parallel to line AB. So here draw a line passing through C and parallel to AB. Suppose this is line CF. Okay. Line CF. Now see here. AB parallel D. It is given. and BA parallel CF. Construction. BA parallel DE, BA parallel CF, and therefore DE parallel CF. DE parallel CF. Now consider D, line D parallel line CF, and DC is their transversal. Now here, due to this transversal, angle CDE and angle DCF are congruent because the property of parallel lines and their transversal. And therefore, angle CDF is equal to angle DCF. The reason is property of alternate angles of parallel lines. But here angle CDF is equal to angle CDE, DCF. This is angle CDE. But angle CDE is given 100 degree, and therefore angle DCF is equal to 100 degree. Now see here. Now this angle DCF is the sum of two angles. Angle DCB and angle DCF. And therefore angle DCB plus angle BCF is equal to angle DCF. Here angle DCB is given 50 degree. We have to find this angle BCF. This angle DCF is 100 degree. Therefore, angle BCF is equal to 100 degree minus 50 degree. So angle BCF is equal to 50 degree. That means this angle is 50 degree. Now consider these two lines, line AB and line CF, and BC is the transversal. And BC, they are now due to this transversal, this angle ABC and angle BCF is a pair of interior angles. Interior angles. Okay, these two lines are parallel, so interior angles must be supplementary, and therefore angle ABC plus angle BCF is equal to 180 degree. And therefore angle ABC plus angle BCF is 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree is equal to 130 degree. This is our answer. Therefore, measure of angle ABC is equal to 130 degree.